Namaskar, Khusro Vidya. Myself, Javin, Dr. Pramila Kajla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, our topic is physiology of pain. Pain is defined as an unpleasant and emotional experience associated with or without actual tissue damage. Pain sensation is described in many ways like sharp, pricking, electrical, dull ache, shooting, cutting, stabbing, etc. Often it includes crying and fainting. Component of pain sensation. Pain sensation has two components, fast pain and slow pain. Fast pain is the first sensation whenever a pain stimulus is applied. It is experienced as a bright, sharp and localized pain sensation. Fast pain is followed by the slow pain which is experienced as dull, diffuse and unpleasant pain. Receptor for both of the components of pain are same, that is free nerve endings, but afferent nerve fiber are different. Fast pain sensation is carried by A alpha fiber and slow pain sensation is carried by C type of nerve fibers. From skin and deeper structure, receptors. Receptor of pain, skin receptors. Receptor of pain sensation are the free nerve endings which are distributed throughout the body. First order neuron. First order neuron are the cell in posterior nerve root ganglia which receive impulse of pain sensation from pain receptor through their dendrites. These impulses are transmitted to spinal cord through the axon of these neuron. Fast pain fibers. Fast pain sensation is carried by A alpha type afferent fibers which synapse with neuron of marginal nucleus in the posterior gray horn. Slow fiber. Slow pain sensation is carried by C type of afferent fibers which synapse with neuron of substantia gelatinosa of Ronaldo in posterior gray horn. Center for pain sensation. Center for pain sensation is in posterior central gyrus of parietal cortex. Fiber reaching hypothalamus are concerned with arousal mechanism due to pain stimulus. From viscera. Pain sensation from thoracic and abdominal viscera is transmitted by sympathetic thoracocolumnar nerves. Pain from esophagus, trachea, pharynx is carried by vagus and glossopharyngeal nerves. Referred pain. Referred pain is the pain that is perceived at a site adjacent to or away from the site of origin. Deep pain and some visceral pain are referred to other areas, but superficial pain is not referred. Example of referred pain. Cardiac pain is felt in inner part of left arm and left shoulder. Pain in ovary is referred to umbilicus. Pain from testis is felt in abdomen. Pain in diaphragm referred to shoulder. Pain in gallbladder is referred to epigastric region. Renal pain is referred to loin. So these all are referred pain. Pain of diaphragm is experienced in shoulder. This is gallbladder pain in epigastric area. Heart pain in neck and left arm. Kidney pain. Ovary pain is felt around umbilicus and testis pain is felt around in abdomen. Applied physiology. Analgesia. Analgesia means loss of pain sensation. Hyperalgesia is defined as increased sensitivity to pain sensation. Paralgesia, abnormal pain sensation is called paralgesia. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.